This video will show you how to create an app password for your Google account. Google started requiring users in May 2022 to create passwords other than their Google account password for use on apps. One of the reasons you may need to do this is for your calendar, your contacts, YouTube, or for me, an SMTP program that ensures that your website forms don't get blocked from delivery. Is go to your Google account, prompted with your password, and you're going to click in the left-hand sidebar, Security. Scroll down to Signing into Google and click on App Passwords. So from this drop down, you're going to select the app you want to use. It doesn't have the SMT program on here, so I'm just going to put that in as my custom and then click Generate. And here's the password. I'm going to copy this, click Done, and then I'll place that password into my SMTP program on my website to ensure delivery of my emails.